Hi, it's Pooja. In this video, I'll be walking you through Scrum in project management. Scrum is a software development methodology in which the software is developed in increments. The various terms important in Scrum are the product backlog, the sprints, and the Scrum meetings. Product backlogs are the list of features to be implemented for the product. Then the sprints is the time duration for which you'll implement a feature. It can vary from 3 to 30 days. The Scrum meetings are the daily stand-up meetings held by the Scrum Master to track your progress of your current sprint to optimize your performance of the next day's work. The various roles in Scrum are the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the team members. The product owner defines the product backlog, that is a list of features for the product. The Scrum Master holds the daily Scrum meetings. He ensures that his team members understands and follows Scrums. The team members are the people with the specialties and who actually work on the project. So let's go to our ERP system. Here we see we have a project defined called as online examination. There are a list of 3 features to be implemented. That is entering multiple choice question and answers, then importing and exporting the question banks, and picking up the question and answers in a random manner to form the test. As we see, each of the feature is linked to a sprint. So first let's go to sprints and see how you can define sprints. To define sprints, you'll have to go to project, Scrum, and sprints. Here we see we have a number of sprints linked to our project online examination. All the sprints except the first one are in the draft stage. The first one is open, saying that we have already started working on this sprint. Let's go to its edit view to see how you can define a sprint. To define a sprint, specify its name and link it up to a project. Specify other details like the product owner, the Scrum Master, its starting and its ending date. In the daily meeting tabs, you can record the daily stand-up meetings that are held for the project. In the review tab, you specify your progress towards your release goal and the necessary adaptations to be made to improve your performance. In the last tab, you review your performance in the last sprints such that you can optimize your performance in the upcoming sprints. Once you have your sprints defined, you could check your burn down chart. It is a very good feature in the ERP system and it gives you your day by day the amount of work remaining in a sprint. This is how you can check your progress of your project and plan your sprints. So now that we know how you can define your sprints, let's go to product backlog. To define a product backlog, we'll just go to the edit view and see an existing product backlog. So for defining a product backlog, you'll have to specify its feature and link it up to a project and a sprint. Specify other details like its author, sequence, number. You also have to specify the planned hours and the feature description. In the tasks tab, you specify all the tasks that are to be done for this particular feature. Once you start working on the backlog, you mark it open and you start working on the tasks. As you start completing the task, the progress in the product backlog gets automatically updated. This was all about Scrum in project management. So now, since there's time, I'll take you through reporting in project management. The task analysis gives you an overview of all your tasks of various projects and its other details like total hours, planned hours, remaining hours, your days to open and days to close. And you can also go to the graphical view to get an overview of the same. The issue analysis gives you the details about various issues. Now there are various dashboards like the project dashboard, which gives you an overview of all your projects. There's all your open tasks, your delegated tasks, your sprints, your issues, then the planned and total hours for all your projects, your remaining hours on each of the projects, and your issues by creation date. Then the Scrum dashboard gives you all your sprints, your task progress, and your backlog progress. The project issue dashboard gives you all your issues, that is your current and your pending issues. Also, it gives you a graphical presentation of issues by state and issues by stage. So this was all for this video. Thank you.